Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your Bluetooth not available on your Mac. So when Bluetooth is not available on Mac, the first thing you'll have to do is turn it on and off. So just turn it on and off right here so that you'll be able to reset it. If it doesn't work, you will have to go to the top left corner and restart your PC. If it still does not, your last solution from there is going to terminal by going to command spacebar, search terminal, open it up, and then as you can see right here, all you have to do is type in this code right here. It's called sudo pkill bluetooth d. Enter that, it will reset the Bluetooth module of your own MacBook into normal. So once you have done that, you will also want to disconnect your remaining devices right here that is connected in your Bluetooth. So once that is done, you'll have to restart again the computer and then you'll be able to use Bluetooth as usual again. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.